Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your VIVO X300. So actually, it's very easy. At first, go straight to the settings on your device and tap on the Bluetooth. Here, as you can see, I do have it disabled, so make sure that yours is enabled, and when it is enabled, disable it and enable it back again, just to make sure that all the sensors are resetted. And this is the first tip. If it works for you, that's nice, but if it doesn't, find your device in the available devices list. For example, this one, let it be this one, tap this device and tap forget and just repair your device. It should be that easy. And after the repairing process, you should be able to connect to your device. It's maybe some issue with the device itself, I mean your secondary device, for example your headphones, and it's just recommended to reset the connection from time to time. So that's the second tip for me to you. The third tip is that you can actually restart your phone. Wait a moment. Volume up plus power. Click volume up plus power. Click and hold these two buttons and swipe to power off your device here. Actually, you can swipe to restart over here. And why it's recommended? We will reset all the sensors, all the modules in our phone, especially the Bluetooth module, and it should fix our phone. Apart from that, meantime, we can just restart our secondary device, which can be our headphones, our speaker, or any other device that you want to connect. So, now we can unlock our device with our PIN code. And now we can check if we can pair to our device. If we can't, I do recommend to go in the settings back again, scroll down, and here tap System Update. As you can see, as for the 7th of November 2025, here we do have the latest Android version, which is Android 16, and there can be some issues. It's because this OS is almost like new. So wait for the updates and update your phone immediately. If you do have some updates pending, update your phone. It's because the issue may be actually already fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel and leave a like under our video. It's very important to us to have your feedback, so please comment, leave your opinion in the comment section down below. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.